Today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on your Mac OS. So I'm going to bring up the keyboard just so you can see the keyboard shortcut, because that's how we're going to do it. So I'll be obviously pressing them on my keyboard physically, but it will be also displayed right here what I'm pressing. So what you want to press is Command, which is this button right over here on your keyboard next to spacebar, Shift, and then number 4. So there we go. Now normally you should get a pop-up at the bottom, so I'm gonna see if I can just get it. For some reason it's not showing me on here. Not sure why it's switched. Can I? Doesn't seem like I can bring it to view right here. But either it will show up right here, or obviously if you have MacBook with the little bar, it will also show up on the bar. And right here it's showing me a couple options: cancel, and then 3 icons for window view, which I can select so you can see it changes. A selected area, so I can just click, drag, and select a specific area on a screenshot. And the first one is just entire screen. So with the second one, you get to select which option you capture. And the third one, obviously it's a more precise one. So I'm just going to capture the entire screenshot like this. So once you have an option selected, you just press on the screen, click, and it captures it. Now I did want to see if I can actually show this somehow. So you would see it like right here on the bar. Let's see, does this show? Nope. So I'm trying to see if there's a way I can just kind of show you how it looks like once you press the 3 buttons, because this will only show up right here in the bar once you press the buttons. And on the screen it should look like this, or something relatively similar to it. So these are the 3 buttons: the entire screen, the specific area or window, exactly, it's a window, it captures the entire window that you hover over, or the selected area. And here we have just record and stop recording option, which I've been recording right now. So if I would select any of these options on the bar, it would, I believe, stop recording. So anyway, once you capture your screenshot, it gets saved to your just desktop, as you can see right over here. So there it is. And also get rid of the keyboard. There we go. So that's the screenshot. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.